We live in an age of glass. It's everywhere we look, from windows to smartphone screens. Glass is essential in modern life. Join us in the fascinating world of glass. Glass, the invisible material, profoundly impacts our lives. Imagine a world without glass, dark buildings, limited communication. The story of glass is one of innovation and ingenuity. Discover the fascinating story behind this overlooked material.
The origins of glassmaking are mysterious, possibly discovered accidentally in the ancient Near East. Early humans noticed glassy substances formed by intense heat. Materials like obsidian and frit hinted at glass's potential. Experimentation led to controlled glassmaking, a pivotal step forward. Glassmaking spread throughout ancient civilizations, with Egyptians mastering the art by 1500 BC. They produced intricate glass objects. The invention of glassblowing revolutionized glassmaking, allowing for larger, more complex objects. Romans spread techniques through trade. After the Roman Empire's decline, glassmaking thrived in the Islamic world and China. Islamic glassmakers created stunning works of art, while Europe saw the rise of stained glass windows in churches. Venice became a center of production, creating highly prized objects.
Glass, often transparent and colorless, has a fascinating composition. The key ingredient is silica, found in sand. Heated silica transforms into molten glass. Pure silica glass needs high temperatures and cracks easily. Glassmakers add soda ash to lower silica's melting point. It enhances workability but reduces durability. Limestone strengthens and resists moisture. This forms soda lime glass, the most common type.
The journey from raw materials to glass begins in the furnace, where temperatures soar to over 1500 degrees Celsius. The furnace's walls, lined with refractory bricks, contain the molten inferno. The intense heat, generated by burning natural gas or electricity, transforms the batch into molten glass. The batch enters the furnace met with intense heat. Fluxes like soda ash and limestone lower the melting point of silica. Continuous motion ensures uniform composition. The molten glass flows out, ready to be shaped. Techniques like glass blowing and pressing transform it. Float glass creates sheets for windows and mirrors. The technique depends on the desired shape and properties. Annealing cools the glass slowly, relieving internal stresses. The process is calibrated based on the glass's thickness. After annealing, the glass undergoes cutting, polishing, or coating. From molten liquid to finished product, modern glassmaking is ingenious. Global glass giants. The production of glass is a global industry, with countries around the world contributing to the vast output of this versatile material. A few nations stand out as true giants, their factories churning out millions of tons of glass each year. At the forefront stands China, synonymous with large-scale manufacturing. China's dominance in glass production is staggering, accounting for over half of the world's total output. This is driven by abundant raw materials, a skilled workforce, and a growing domestic market. The United States remains a major player, particularly in high-tech glass for electronics and aerospace. Germany is renowned for producing high-quality optical glass for scientific instruments. The global glass industry showcases the interconnected nature of modern manufacturing. While China reigns supreme in glass production, the Asian continent has become the global glass industry epicenter. Beyond China, other Asian nations have rapidly expanded their glass-making capabilities, driven by urbanization and infrastructure development. India has seen a surge in glass production fueled by construction demand. Southeast Asian nations like Indonesia, Vietnam, and Thailand are also significant players. Asia's rise in glassmaking has reshaped the global industry.
Glass, with its sparkling clarity and seemingly effortless transparency, belies a hidden truth. Its production is energy-intensive. The journey from raw materials to finished product requires immense heat, placing a significant demand on energy resources. The heart of this energy consumption lies in the furnace, where sand transforms into molten glass. Maintaining temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius requires a constant input of energy. typically derived from burning fossil fuels. This reliance on fossil fuels makes glassmaking a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, a growing concern in our era of climate change. The industry faces a pressing challenge to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels and transition towards more sustainable energy sources. This shift is essential for mitigating climate change and ensuring the long-term viability of the glass industry. The energy-intensive nature of glassmaking, particularly its reliance on fossil fuels, casts a long shadow in the form of greenhouse gas emissions. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide and other pollutants into the atmosphere, driving global climate change. The carbon footprint of glass production is influenced by many factors. The type of fuel used, the energy efficiency of the manufacturing process, and the source of raw materials all play a role. Glass made from recycled materials has a lower carbon footprint. The glass industry is working to reduce its environmental impact. Manufacturers are investing in energy efficiency measures. More efforts are needed to align with global climate goals. Exploring renewable energy sources is crucial. Promoting recycling and developing low-carbon glass are essential steps for a sustainable future. Section 3. Towards a greener glaze. Sustainable practices in the glass industry. The glass industry is embracing sustainable practices to minimize its environmental footprint. From energy efficiency to innovative recycling methods, the industry is creating a greener glaze. Transitioning to cleaner energy sources is a key step. Renewable electricity from solar, wind, and hydropower powers furnaces. This reduces greenhouse gas emissions and reliance on fossil fuels. Maximizing the use of recycled glass or cullet is crucial. Cullet melts at lower temperatures, saving energy. The industry is also investing in sustainable glass formulations. Innovations include bio-based materials and lower melting temperatures.
Glass, the next generation. The story of glass is one of constant evolution. The journey of glass is far from over. It's poised for a new era of innovation. Imagine glass as an active participant in our lives. Windows that transform at the touch of a button. Flexible, ultra-thin glass revolutionizing devices. These visions are no longer science fiction. Researchers are developing smart glass. Electrochromic glass transitions from clear to tinted. Thermochromic glass darkens in sunlight. The future holds radical possibilities. Nanotechnology for self-healing glass, extending product lifespan and reducing waste. The next generation of glass promises to be smarter, stronger, and more sustainable. A crystal clear vision. The future of glass is linked to the future of our planet. Glass, with its versatility and recyclability, plays a crucial role in sustainability. Glass contributes significantly to renewable energy technologies. Solar panels rely on high-quality glass to protect photovoltaic cells. The glass industry enables the transition to sustainable energy. Glass and fiber optics powers high-speed data transmission. Fiber optic cables, made from ultra-pure glass, provide the backbone for communication networks. The journey of glass will continue to inspire and amaze us. Glass will shape our environment, enable advancements, and inspire art.
The enduring legacy of glass. From ancient campfires to modern factories, glass is unique. Its journey spans millennia and continents. Glass refracts light, enabling discoveries and art. Its strength redefines skylines. Glass symbolizes clarity and strength. The story of glass continues with innovation. A transparent future. The future of glass shimmers with promise. Nanotechnology and sustainable manufacturing will make glass integral in shaping our world. Imagine glass seamlessly integrating with our digital lives, where windows become interactive displays and buildings become self-regulating ecosystems. Cities bathed in the glow of energy-efficient glass facades, harvesting sunlight to power our homes. Medical breakthroughs with biocompatible glass implants and revolutionary drug delivery systems. This is a future within reach, driven by researchers, engineers, and artists pushing the boundaries of glass. The journey of glass shows human imagination transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Our fascination with this versatile material continues. As we conclude, let us appreciate this material that has touched our lives in countless ways. Embrace the transparency and clarity glass represents in our world and interactions. The future, like glass, is fragile and full of potential, and it's up to us to shape it with care and creativity for a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.